Kalimutan natin yun. Pag-awayin natin sila.
Here we go, South Division naman ang magpapakitang gilas right here in 1v1 King of the Islands National Finals. Samayla dancing. Puts it up and in calls glass. First shot pa lang, acrobatic na agad by Samayla.
Grabe. Dito sa South, no? Highlight Factory.
Highlight
South bracket
factory.
natin.
I like that.
The height advantage no, against the North, but their main key, yung bilis, yung flash, yung handles. Ganito talaga ang laro ng mga Bisaya. That's why we have a lot of talented people from Cebu.
Blanco will inbound the ball. Jandel Samayla will defend.
And also Greg Slaughter.
Gets away, lays it up.
Ever.
Easy work for
Two players na nag-MVP ng
Blanco. Ties the game.
It's Junmar Fajardo and Greg Slaughter sa Sesafi. Tama ba? Sesafi, di ba? Sesafi.
Ganda ng fake.
Sayang. Missed the point blank shot.
The king of the
Samayla.
North will shoot, or king of the South rather, misses that two-point bomb.
So far, hindi nagde-disappoint tong round of 16 natin.
Right.
If you scan that QR code sa screen nyo, you will have a chance to win an iPhone 17. Kanina may nanalo na. Si Ma'am Vanessa. Ma'am Vanessa, extra mo lang ba yan? Or, kasi baka pwede natin pag-usapan. Ano ko, feeling ko magiging best friend tayo eh. And look at that shot!
Ito na naman tayo, Will. Lamang na naman yung underdog.
You know, parang sinasabi nito mga underdogs na to na naka 100,000 na kayo. We'll take the 300,000.
Balls out for Kian Blanco. Again, Kian Blanco is the king of the South. This guy won.
If you win 300,000 Ren off of a basketball game, what's the first thing you'll buy?
When we went
Siguro at this age, Omega Painkiller, kung ganyan yung dadaanan mong gauntlet.
to a low-scoring ball game,
Ay, nako, aray.
Probably a massage.
Oo, no? A full body massage.
sizing up.
Double the time pa if kailangan.
No go. Shout out to Shadi Bohol.
I'm sure the families of these participants, these athletes are very, very proud, no? For their
By Kian Blanco.
mga pambato really showcasing their talent on one of the biggest stage in 1v1 basketball in the Philippines.
I think more so yung mga galing South. Kasi as a player, it's a big it's a big opportunity to be flown out
Oo,
just
no?
for a basketball game.
Kamag-anak.
Who
Doesn't
gets
really
that?
happen that often.
Right, no? Who gets that in their lifetime, no? Diba? Wala naman halos.
So eto, yung mami ni Kian Blanco. Mami, nakikinig si Kian yan, ang king of the South natin.
Blanco.
However, nag-aabot siya
Samayla
ng
staying in front, chest to chest.
Offensive foul. Trailing na naman ng hari natin.
Right. Anong nangyayari sa mga hari?
Kailangan lang pala yung shoutout ni Mami para makascore yung king of
They're being retired early right here. Samayla. All the way again.
fadeaway jumpers, no good.
Was centered in a great release point pero short yung kanyang tira. Blanco finally ties the ball game.
Just like that.
Love the crowd right here in Market Market.
Ang pagmamahal talaga ng isang ina. And bumawi ka.
Ooh.
Again,
Awkward yung shot ni Samayla.
Oo, no?
I think it's more of a one-legger.
7 points.
Eto na. Shootout na siya.
Yes,
Dala na kayo
it
ng
is a
payong.
shootout. Under 4 minutes, tied at 5. Blanco and Samayla are both heating up. Oh! No, no, no. Not here, not today.
Welcome to my block party, says Kian Blanco.
Blanco.
Kian.
Cross gap, pulls up mid-range.
Grabe
Beautiful.
yung smoothness ng pull-up jumper na yun.
Yung pace ng pull-up na yun, no?
Napakanta ka ba ng smooth like butter? Magki-K-pop ka ba rin?
Malapit na, malapit na.
And there's a foul on Kian Blanco.
And this time you can see, Reno, the change in demeanor ng mga South players. Earlier, they are demonstrating their support of each other. Ngayon, they're not really opponents but just competitors.
And it should be competitive.
Yep.
It's 300,000. Pero ito na, Kian Blanco.
Kian Blanco trying to prove why he is the king of the north, of the south, rather.
Yun din talaga. That's the third block of Kian Blanco.
Sabi nga nila, defense wins championships. Now I understand better. Now I understand more why he's the king.
You go at the king, you best not miss.
Samaila is right now rushing it as he's trailing by 4. Just like that, ganun kabilis.
He's getting a lot of pressure.
No close out.
That's the reason why he is the reigning king of the South.
Samaila dancing. Boom. So,
Wala nang tropa-tropa dito.
Oo, wala nang tropa. Kahit tapos na ang Pasko, magbigayan tayo.
Samaila, no go. 1 minute and 19 remaining.
Still a lot of time here for
Right.
Samaila. Hindi siya pwede mag-rush. But Blanco can finish it right here.
So, a minute and 4
Pump fake.
Done and done.
Wow.
He now has 11.
I understand it now. I understand it better now. Love the crowd and the amount of support the relatives and mother of